In this video, I'm going to cover how you can essentially sell digital products on Patreon. Now, for this to work and for you to follow along, you are going to need a Patreon account already. Now, I've created my creator account, and I did this on another tutorial video called How to Create a Patreon Account. If you want to go ahead and search that on my channel, just search for it and you'll find it. Now, if you've already got a Patreon account and you're wondering how you can sell a digital product through it, then this video will help you out. So you want to go to Patreon and then go to my page in the top left-hand corner. And from here, you can go to shop. Now, you can only see this until you add a product. Like, no one will be able to see this if you don't have any products. So if you're viewing as a paid member, you won't see this. Make sure you're viewing as creator. Then go to shop. And what we can do is we can start selling digital products. We can sell them to anyone. And we can set this up instantly and seamlessly. So go ahead and click add product, and it's then going to take you to this window where you can give it a name. So maybe I'm going to call this YouTube search-based method course. Maybe this is a course on how to grow search-based YouTube channels. Now I'm going to change the pricing here to, let's just say it's £200. And if you go to pricing options, you can choose which tiers get this product for free. So if you have an expensive tier, like let's say 50 a month, you can choose so they actually get this product for free when they join. And you can also create discounts once you've saved the product as well. Now the thing is with Patreon, there's a lot of small little settings that you can change. So this is going to be a basic overview, and I would recommend just setting it up very, very simply first before you start getting too advanced, because you need to essentially check that you can drive traffic to this and convert people into paying members. If you can't, then, well, it doesn't matter what settings you have if you can't drive traffic. So I'm going to put the price to 200, and we can give this a description. Now, bearing in mind, when you're doing this, you're trying to sell the product. So don't just write a 1 to 2 line description. This needs to be in depth, and it needs to essentially sell people on your product. Like, if people click on the product and they're not convinced they're going to get value for the price, they're not going to buy. So make sure you give this the best description possible. For the video, and to make it quick, I'm just going to give a couple of lines description, but you want to add bullet points. You want to make stuff bold. You want to really tell people what they're going to get. So I'm just going to put this is a course, but obviously just take in mind what I just said. Now, the most important part is going to be your actual product. You need to either upload a video if it is a video file, or if it's like a PDF, you can go to other files and you can select the file. Now, I've just selected a JPEG image as the file because I don't have a file or a product to actually upload, and this is just for test purposes. But if you've created an ebook, if you've created a zip file with a series of videos in it, you can upload all of this with this window, and basically any product that you have, you should be able to cover it through these 4 different options. Then you've got the previews. Now this is going to be the hero image, and again, this image needs to sell the product. So whatever your product is about, make sure that you essentially have a good thumbnail, a good preview into what the product is. So like on another website where I have a product, I have just this nice cover which I made in Canva, which says it's a Southeast Asia travel guide, and this is what I'm talking about in terms of creating the product. You need the product to look good. You need the product to convince people to buy. So I would go and create a thumbnail like this. You can do this all, by the way, on Canva. So canva.com is a free online photo editing software or tool. You can create a design. You can just create a custom size design. I would recommend 1920 by 1080. It's going to then open the dimensions of a nice landscape image, which you can then go ahead and add photos to by uploading different photos. And you can really customize your product thumbnail. You can add text. You can do a lot of stuff. Now, I'm not going to cover that in this video because the video is then going to be coming very long, but we're just going to upload an image. So let me just do that. So I'm going to upload this one. This is an actual thumbnail for my YouTube channel, so just ignore it. But it's going to serve as a placeholder here. Okay, so we've added that. We can then add additional images. Again, the job of these images is to sell your product. Okay, so let's agree to this and let's publish. Okay, so now we have our product and we can now view the shop. So remember, the £50 a month tier is going to get this for free, and everyone else will be able to see it on your shop when you publish it. So make sure it's published, and then here is going to be your page here, you can then go ahead and copy this link, and this link is going to go straight to your shop. Here is our product, and here is our title, and obviously the description will be there. And if you've added more than one image, people will be able to flick through them. And then if people want to buy, they will click buy now. They would log into their Patreon and they would pay the price, which in our case is $200. Now the payment's going to be handled by Patreon. You just need to make sure on your end, you've gone to payouts and you've added a payout method, which is going to be either PayPal or it's going to be Payoneer, I do believe. So enter in your country and then you can set up either Payoneer or PayPal. So this might sound a bit complex, but once you've got everything set up, you can start selling and driving traffic to the link. And if you ever wanted to get back to your shop, go to my page, then go to shop, and here is your shop. And you can see the URL updates, and you just add /shop on the end, and that's all you do. So I hope that quick video was informative and a beginner's guide to Patreon digital products.